Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Makkah is revered as the holiest city for Muslims. It embraces Masjid al-Haram, the great mosque, and the Kaaba, the Qiblah, the direction toward which Muslims face during their prayers. The city holds a profound spiritual significance, as it is the birthplace of the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the cradle of Islam's tolerant message, which spread globally following the revelation of the Holy Quran. Geographically, Makkah is situated in the western part of Saudi Arabia. Makkah is esteemed as the most exceptional place on earth, holding the highest regard from Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him. Allah has chosen this sacred city for the performance of Hajj rituals and designated visiting it as an act of worship that elevates spiritual ranks and absolves misdeeds. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "By Allah, you are the best part of Allah's earth, and the part dearest to Him." The city's sacred status dates back to the creation of the universe. It is the site of the first house of worship built for mankind, dedicated solely to the worship of Allah. Allah, the Exalted, mentions in the Quran, the first house of prayer established for mankind is the one at Makkah, a blessed place, guidance for all worlds, of people and jinn. This indicates the long-standing spiritual significance of Makkah, recognized since the beginning of time. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also highlighted the perpetual sanctity of Makkah, stating, Allah sanctified this city on the day He created the heavens and the earth. Thus, it remains sacred by the sanctity bestowed upon it by Allah until the day of resurrection. This eternal sanctity underscores the city's unparalleled status. In Islamic tradition, Muslims worldwide turn towards the Makkah 5 times a day in their prayers, fostering a sense of unity and brotherhood among them. Allah, the Exalted, revealed in the Quran, "We have seen you, O Muhammad, turning your face over and over again towards heaven. Therefore, we now turn you towards the Qiblah that you like most, so turn your face towards the sacred Kaaba. Henceforth, wherever you may be, turn your face in prayer towards it." This divine directive ensures that Makkah remains the focal point of Islamic worship and communal cohesion. For Muslims, Makkah serves not only as a Qiblah, but also as a source of guidance, blessing, and grace that is central to their lives. We must thank Allah for this great blessing. Allah, the Exalted, said, "Allah has appointed the Kaaba, the sacred house, as a means of support for mankind, and the sacred month, the offerings, and the garlands. That is so, you may recognize that Allah knows whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth, and that Allah is knower of all things." This verse highlights the multifaceted significance of Makkah, reinforcing its role as a divine sanctuary. To access exclusive content and stay updated with our latest videos, we kindly invite you to like and subscribe to our channel for mankind. Thank you for your support.